Hello, a very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. 2023 has been a very good year. God has been kind and good to you and I. So, this festive season, do well to celebrate and enjoy yourself by frying turkey this Christmas. Anyways, I hope you do enjoy this video and find it very helpful. These turkeys have been soaked in salt and lemon solution for about 30 minutes. I'll pour the water away and give it a very good wash. I'm done with the washing of the turkey. I washed it 3 times. I will set it aside and now let's make the marinade. I will be grinding the ingredients, but feel free to use a blender if you feel lazy or you don't feel like using the earthenware. It is really important to wash the earthenware or your blender before using it. In the earthenware is some gingers, garlics, and some onions. But before we proceed, let me enjoy this quick snack, okay? I was super hungry. So this is roasted plantain. I divide it into two and then put in some peanut butter. It is really nice, you know. Just try your hands on. Now let's proceed. I add 2 pieces of peppers and some fennel seeds. If you do not have the fennel seed and you have anise seed, you can use that one too. Now the next thing is to add some salt to help with the grinding process. If you're using a blender, then there is no need to add the salt at that stage. But you can still add it, it doesn't make any difference. Grind the ingredients coarsely, okay? Or when you're using a blender, you blend it coarsely. At this stage, if your turkey is not in your cooking pot, transfer everything into your cooking pot as I am doing it. I'll now come in with star anise, about 2 or 3 pieces of it, and then come in with half seasoning cube. Next is some salt to taste. Cover it and transfer it to the fire to start cooking. After 8 minutes of cooking the turkey without water, I will give it a very quick stir and once again cover it to continue cooking. Alright, 6 minutes later, I will give it a stir and add in some water to help cook the turkey wings very well. So in total, I cooked the turkey, or the turkey was on fire for 12 minutes with no water. I then add in the blended or the grinded ingredients, add some chopped onions and give it a very good stir. Now I'm not going to be adding in any additional salt or seasoning because the ingredient that we grounded had salt in it, so and it is enough, okay? So 40 minutes later, the turkey is well cooked and it tastes absolutely good. Now I'm going to take out everything from the pan and put it in a large container or a large bowl for it to cool down before I start frying them. So you heat some oil in the pan and start frying the turkey. When frying, do not let your fire or your heat to be too high. You can add in some onions to enhance the flavor and the aroma of the turkey. Fry till they are well brown or well fried. Enjoy and thank me later. As always, thank you so very much for watching. I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Whenever you think food, do not forget to thank Yummy Cash. Good appetit. Cheers.